The world is changing fast. Want to be your own boss in 2025? Want to make money from anywhere in the USA, Canada, Australia, or Europe? Stick around because I have the best business ideas that require low investment but high profits. By the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to start a business in 2025 and make money like never before. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Business idea number 1. AI-powered content creation. AI is taking over content creation. Low cost, high demand. Businesses need content. You can start with just a laptop. Use AI tools to create videos, blogs, and ads. Sell services on Fiverr, Upwork, or your own website. Offer YouTube automation for clients. Would you try this business? Comment below. Business idea number 2, subscription box service. People love monthly surprises. Huge potential in niches like fitness, organic food, and self-care. Recurring revenue equals stable income. Partner with suppliers and dropshippers. Use Shopify Plus marketing via Instagram and TikTok. Target niche audiences like pet lovers, tech geeks, and so on. Would you subscribe to a box like this? Let me know in the comments. Business idea number 3, digital marketing agency for local businesses. Local businesses need marketing help. You don't need a degree, just skills. High profit margins, low startup cost. Learn Facebook and Google Ads and SEO. Offer free trials to businesses, then charge $500 to $2,000 per month. Scale by outsourcing work. Could you run a digital agency? Type yes in the comments. Business idea number 4, selling digital products. Make a product once, sell it forever. No inventory, no shipping. High profit margins, over 90% profits. Create ebooks, online courses, templates, or stock photos. Sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or your website. Market on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Want passive income? Hit that subscribe button now. These business ideas can change your life in 2025. But ideas are nothing without action. Which business idea excited you the most? Drop it in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more money-making tips.